This is for the law enforcement. I heard from my intel that the man who is responsible, I let me use the word allegedly, for this young lady demise, his name is Zebi. He is one of the top hitman for Baboon King, Marvin Baboon King, and Zebi has been wanted for a long time and has been on the run. Mr. Policeman, please check this out for me. Solve this crime. Listen to this video, I'ma tell you now exactly what happened. Let's go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers, discretion is advice. Let me repeat it one more time. Viewers, discretion is advice when watching this video. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Now more and big up all of the crew, editor boss, nanny, big up yourself, you understand? Now, I want to send a big shout out to a mystery woman, and we're going to keep it like that. Big up yourself, mama. You know me I talk. Now I want to send shout out to all of the fans them, all of the subscribers from all over the world, because you know it's a countryman thing. They all over the Caribbean. So yeah, wanna big up. Now I talk about this girl, Janelle, and this is more like an update. And the more and more I dig into this young lady demise, it is more and more clear to me that Baboon King may be the alleged assassin, because there was lots of things going on between her and Baboon King. One of the biggest major mistake I think this young lady made was to leave her mom's house, her mom's dwelling, and went to live over by Baboon King's side. I think where she died, all his cousins them and family member live in that yard or on that side of town. So listen, nobody can just walk up in that area where Baboon King there and do anything. So it have to be some people who knows the area, know the situation in and out to make those kind of moves. Before I go any further, I want the young people them to know, say listen, gangs and them thing there, it may look glamorous, you understand, but it is not. Now this young lady here, sad to say, she was a poster girl for women or young women who love bad boy. she loved gunman. She was even locked up and arrested. And I say that to say this. It is very, very, I'm gonna say it one more time, very, very sad how this young lady ended up. I'm quite sure her mother didn't want this to happen. With that said, my intel tells me that she was involved with Leanback Teletubby, like I said before, and she and Leanback fell out. I hear that Leanback slap her up by a chateau, and she went back to Marvin. Now, I'm gonna explain to you guys what happened when she went to Marvin. Now, this is where you have these sick relationship. Now, Marvin, I heard, was very much in love with this girl, and she was, like I said, living with round by Marvin family, moved back there. She was also helping out with Marvin's little daughter. Marvin have a daughter with a young lady named Movina, and this girl right here, you understand, she was helping taking care of Marvin's daughter. This young lady here, meet Marvin in jail, and I heard anybody who ever come around this young lady, Marvin would get rid of them in some way or the other, which I have spoke about this. I'm never go down into the nitty-gritty. And you know, like I said, it is very sad when you have your child, your daughter, your beautiful daughter, and your daughter grow up to be involved with these kind of people. And what is so sad, I spoke to this young lady about being around gangsters, talking to gangsters and stuff like that. And she casually, brushes it off when I was speaking to her. And also, just the word I'm looking, I'm gonna say entertain. It was like, it was glamorous to her. You understand? And that is what is so disturbing about this. People might listen to me now and think I am doing this for views. I am really not doing this for views. I'm really doing this to bring awareness to what's going on in the entire Caribbean. You understand? And for this time I'm on St. Lucia, but listen, there's other places in my eyesight right now. Let's move on with this girl's story, yo. Look, the first mistake this young lady make is to go live with Marvin family, around Marvin friends them. Now, she and Marvin is together.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Marvin called her and told her that, listen, he heard she is messing around, giving away the good stuff to somebody in the yard. She told Marvin that that's a damn lie. Now, I want the police to know this. If you get this young lady's phone, you will be able to solve this crime. Because I'm never telling you who I heard is the alleged murderer. So, long story short, she live with Marvin people them and the people them and the boy them in the bumbuckler yard. I call Marvin and I tell Marvin pay bullshit about this young lady star. And him they know and a blood clot believe it. I want to hear this. Where Marvin lives, a peer camera in the yard. And this guy Baboon King is in jail, monitoring the whole yard and the whole area. Him have camera point all over and looking at other people's yard. A definite violation of privacy, and it's so fuck up, you know, pardon my language. You have that boy a Baboon King in their jail, and him can't able to sit down in a blood clot prison and dip on cell phone. I watch camera and I talk to man camera and I see what go on in the yard. Long story short, the girl and him catch up over where the pum watch man them a tell him, and she get vexed and mash up all of the camera them. I want to listen to me now. She get vexed and mash up all of the camera them. And when she did that, you know say Baboon King now, him God complex kick in. And him mobilize him little pussy old friend them, yo. And me I tell the police, yo, me help you solve the case here, you know. Me I go help you. I want, after this video, I hope the authorities can go pick up the blood clot man. And yo, Marvin their prison, only need to shake him down. So, the Commissioner of Corrections, or the former Commissioner, Mr. Guard, he is now the Commissioner of Police in St. Lucia. And Mr. Guard, I know he's a well-educated, well-experienced man. He even did a stint in other countries running their system, prison system. Please, if you hear this video, I need you to shake down Marvin cell. Shake down Baboon King. You understand? Isolate him from the rest of prisoner them, yo. That's what you need to do. Shut him down. As you can see, where this young lady Janelle died, you understand? You call that place Hoodlum City. That is Marvin's ghetto. Hoodlum City. Now, after she mash up the camera them and them thing there, she told Marvin she ain't going nowhere, and she know all of Marvin business. You understand? I wasn't there when they were arguing, but from what my intel tell me is that Marvin now, him head go mad. Him mad head sick no good. And that's when he mobilize him family them and him cousin car a theme area that Hoodlum City. Now the young lady, she used to walk one way to go to work. She have to walk a different way. You understand? And when she walk a different way, that's when the man them follow her. And she lose her 3 points. And you see which part she fall and drop? Listen to this. Right by Baboon King auntie yard. Everybody knows this. Everybody in that area knows this. And I'm helping the authorities go in there and clean up that place there, yo. Mr. Guard, talk to Marvin, auntie them, talk to the whole neighborhood. Right there, so, it's like a city, a country within a city to rasclat. The man them have them own a country in a Hoodlum City. Within a country. Believe that. So let's recap this thing. She was with Leanback went back to Marvin. Marvin lower her back. You understand? And because the man them, the pum pum watchman, the pussy watchman them, I bring information, she get upset, mash up camera, and Marvin him now, him tell her everything him do now. So he felt like she was going to rat him out. Cause them man here, you know, them tell woman everything them do. Baboon king them, you understand? And him feel like she was going to rat him out. Yo, the entire St. Lucia and God know this. And what the police needs to do is to focus on this young lady phone. Get her phone, you understand, and you will get all the information with the lean back incident and everything that's going on, because that's the only way they communicate. She doesn't go to the prison and visit this man. You understand? And the police forget fiend phone in a prison. That's the bottom line. There's no if, ands or buts about it. Isolate him. And I bet say if you guys isolate him in a prison, all of this thing we might do will be shut down. Listen, if this was a different country, like Canada, England, and place there, he would have been isolated. He wouldn't even have a chance to be on cell phone committing crime. Before I go, what I want the police them to do, you need to get Janelle phone and need to investigate that area up by a month ago, over there by Woodlub City, where Marvin, if you run up in the house them, where that girl was living, should run up in that house and run up in the neighborhood. That's what the police need to do. May I give you a live tip? You understand? Get the phone, get the camera them, get the footage them. You understand? And investigate that house. Yo, listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Countryman channel, biggest YouTube channel governed worldwide. Countryman, some of them boy are some. Them are some bottom feeder. Them are dead to bumbo clad bottom feeder. You are dead grass clad bottom feeder. Countryman, light them up. Pass your front up. Look, let's say you seaweed. We no smoke with fish. This are no seaweed. How man touch them up? Free weed. How man feel love us to shit the real leader from body them ban. Harrier breed them in a mile and check it as you see speed as she. Give me the front or you think me lead baby born. 9 months ago she get breed. Them are some bottom feeder. You are dead to bumbo clad bottom feeder.
This is for the law enforcement. I heard from my intel that the man who is responsible, I meant me use the word allegedly, for this young lady demise, his name is Zebi. He is one of the top hitman for Baboon King, Marvin Baboon King, and Zebi has been wanted for a long time and has been on the run. Mr. Policeman, please check this out for me. Solve this crime. Listen to this video, I'ma tell you now exactly what happened. Let's go.